Crochet this Mermaid Tail Cord Keeper with me. You will need scraps of worsted weight yarn, a size H crochet hook, darning needle, and scissors. Make a slip knot and chain 11. Half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. This will count as a stitch. Half double crochet in each of the next 5 chains. Chain 1 and turn. From here, each succeeding row will be worked in the back loop only. Slip stitch loosely in the back loop only of each of the next 3 stitches. Make a half double crochet in the back loop only of each the next 2 stitches. Half double crochet the next 2 stitches together through the back loop only. Repeat this and also back loop crochet the last 2 stitches together. Chain 1 and turn. Double crochet through the back loop the next 2 stitches together. Do this twice. Slip stitch loosely in the back loop only of each of the next 3 stitches. At the end of this row, you have made 5 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the back loop only of each of the 5 stitches across. Chain 1 and turn. Begin the second side of the tail. Make 2 half double crochets in the back loop of the next stitch. You will do this twice. Slip stitch in the back loop only of each of the last 3 stitches for a total of 7 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Slip stitch in the back loop only of each of the next 3 stitches. Half double crochet in the back loop only of each of the next 2 stitches. Make 2 half double crochets in the back loop of each of the next 2 stitches for a total of 9 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the back loop only in each of the next 6 stitches and slip stitch in the back loop of the last 3 stitches. This is the last side of the tail. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. For more patterns like this, go to the website listed at the top of this video. Turn your work to work across the bottom and make 3 single crochets across. Now make the tie. Chain 37. You can make this longer if you wish for larger cords. As I am going, I like to weave my beginning tail in and out so I don't have to weave it in later. To make the loop, slip stitch in the 13th chain from the hook. Slip stitch in each remaining chain up to the base of the tail. Once you reach the base of the tail, turn to slip stitch into the last single crochet. End off your working yarn and weave in the end and cut all loose ends. Wrap it around your cord and draw the tail through the loop to secure. Enjoy! Find this whale tail cord keeper also on www.crochetmethat.com.